power of discipline. The power of discipline is a transformative force that can help you achieve your goals, improve your relationships, and lead a more fulfilling life. Discipline is the ability to control your thoughts, emotions, and actions in order to reach your objectives and live according to your values. Here are some of the benefits of discipline. Benefits 1. Improved focus and productivity. Discipline helps you focus on what's important, avoid distractions, and complete tasks efficiently. Benefits 2. Better decision-making. Discipline enables you to think clearly, weigh the consequences of your actions, and make decisions that are aligned with your goals and values. Benefits 3. Increased self-esteem. When you follow through on commitments and achieve your goals, you build confidence in your abilities and increase your self-esteem. Benefits 4. Stronger relationships. Discipline can help you communicate effectively, respect others, and build strong relationships based on trust and mutual respect. Benefits 5. Improved health and well-being. By making healthy choices and engaging in regular exercise, a disciplined person can improve their physical health and increase their overall well-being. Discipline is not something you're born with, but it's a skill that can be developed and strengthened over time. To cultivate discipline, start by setting achievable goals and establishing a routine. Focus on one habit at a time and hold yourself accountable. Remember, discipline is not about restriction, but about making choices that empower you to live a fulfilling life.